One-pot chicken and stars is a kid favorite in our family. As always, you can scroll down to see a list of the ingredients. I'm using a rotisserie chicken, but leftover chicken works great too. Use my video and mix up a big batch of brown rice flour mix. This is now your all-purpose flour without xanthan gum. Xanthan gum is not needed in this recipe or many others, so it is best to buy it separate, store it in your fridge, and only use it if necessary, as in cakes. Start by cooking your pasta according to the package directions. If you can't find star pasta, shells or macaroni work too. Using the same pot you used to cook your pasta, saute the onion in the butter until almost clear. Then add the celery and continue to saute. Then add the flour mix and about 2 cups of liquid, either broth or milk, and whisk over medium-high heat until it begins to thicken. Then add another 2 cups of broth or milk, again whisking over medium-high heat until it begins to thicken. At this point, you need to judge how much more liquid to add to get the thickness desired. Add the cheese, salt and pepper, and continue to stir over the heat until the cheese melts. Then add the chicken and pasta, taste and adjust your seasonings, and dinner is ready. I portion and freeze mine until grandkids arrive. Thanks for watching, and please hit the subscribe button to receive more recipes each week.